Hey watchers, Chef Tom here. It's June 29th, 2022, and here is today's Watch Me vlog. Now, I cranked out a really cool video. I've done two parts of a series, Watch Me Cook on a Budget. I'm going to do part 3, and it's going to be a sequel to my one about food waste. And, but this is an important vlog, you guys. This vlog right here is officially my 100th video upload. My 100th upload. That's special for me, and I'm currently approaching 7,000 views. I have only have 245 subscribers. But it's okay. Those 245 subscribers, those are my people, my fans, my people, and it's okay. But this is a special upload for me. It's 100, number 100. I'll hit another goal. I'm currently working towards 7,000 views. My next goal is 250 subscribers. But I'm just going to keep cranking out content. I actually went through my supplies today to see what I needed to order. I'm actually going to get a polarizer filter for my iPhone, the one I'm recording on now. So, yeah. So, this is the 100th upload. Hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in the next vlog. Get out of here. Go be awesome. Chef out.